So why would you go on a cruise line called the Fun Ships and not expect to see fun, wacky, silly things happening around the ship? And then when you do see something that you don't like, you use the words, but everybody doesn't like this. Why do people do that? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video and another cruiser comment we're going to break down for you today and see if you agree or disagree with the way these people think. Now today we're going to be talking about the shows that Carnival Cruise Lines puts on in their main dining rooms. If you're new to cruising, you're going to go to the main dining rooms, they're going to yell, "Showtime!" Then the music's going to play, your servers are going to dance, they're going to get up on the little podium, little pedestals, they're going to dance, you're going to be waving around your napkins. It's fun, it's entertaining, but not everybody likes it. Not everybody thinks that should happen. Apparently there's people out there that think if you're in the main dining room on Carnival Cruise Lines, on the Fun Ships, the main dining room should be quiet. It should be calm. Should be no noise, just some easy, light conversation amongst you and the table mates. But look, honestly, if that's what you're looking for, Carnival may not be for you. And I'm thinking that maybe it's not for this person either. On the Celebration, if you're going to have the waiters dance, teach them something more easy on the eye. They are pretty much just winging it, and it's not entertaining. I could have easily done without it. Everyone I know from my roll call hates this. I want to know why Carnival would not have gotten rid of the dancing waiters by now, as there are so many complaints. The dining room is for nice, relaxing evenings where your conversations with your friends can go unbothered by these indecent performances. So the singing and the dancing in the main dining room, it's not entertaining. Everybody they know from their group, they just absolutely hate it. And apparently Carnival gets nothing but complaints about these people, about the servers dancing and singing in the main dining room, that they should have gotten rid of it by now. I'm wondering, is it really hated by as many people as this person thinks it is? Or is it actually enjoyed? I've been on Carnival cruises. I've been in the main dining room. I've seen these performances. I think they're entertaining. I think they're fun. I enjoy seeing them. Now, I don't speak for everybody. Everybody I know does not necessarily agree with me. Okay? That's just my opinion. I like them. I enjoy them. I don't complain about them. I think if Carnival was getting as many complaints as this person says, that they probably would have stopped it. Kind of leads me to believe that more people like it than a few people that dislike it. Now, if you want a quiet, relaxing conversation dinner on board a cruise ship, especially if you're on board a Carnival cruise ship, maybe go to the steakhouse. Go to a specialty restaurant. They don't have all that going on in there. Though I've gone by the sushi restaurant once or twice on some of these cruises, and boy, they're having a good time and a party in there, so you may actually still see it in a specialty restaurant. But you know what? I guess these indecent performances, well, they're just not for everybody. But let me throw it out there to you guys. What do you guys think? Do you think Carnival should stop the singing and the dancing in the main dining room? Do you think it's not entertaining? Are you a part of this everybody who hates it and is complaining about it? Do you think it's indecent? Or are you going to the main dining room? You're having a great time. You're eating your dinner and a little show while you're eating? Well, that just makes it that much better. Let me know what you guys think about dancing in the main dining room. All right, and that's going to be our video for today. If you enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.